Have you ever sat down to play your favorite PS4 game, but were met with the blue light of death? It'll leave you wondering, why won't my PS4 turn on? Here's how to fix it. Start with some general troubleshooting tips, like unplugging and inspecting the power cable, plugging it back into a different outlet, and cleaning the console with compressed air. If that didn't work, try a manual restart. Make sure your console is completely turned off, with no lights on or flashing. Unplug the console and let it sit for a half an hour before plugging it back in and turning it back on. You can also try to restart your PS4 in safe mode. Turn it off by holding the power button for a few seconds. Once it's off, press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. That sounds like this. After the second beep, you should see a black screen and can release the power button. Connect your controller with a USB cable and press the PS button. Select Restart PS4 from the list of options on the screen. As a last resort, you can factory reset your device from safe mode, but this will wipe your hard drive clean, and you'll lose access to saved games and data. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.